lovely nature walk. We're crossing the bridge. Say hi, boys.
Walk through the neighborhood.
Say hi, boys. I thought the trail went through there. What the hell? Do you want to walk through the neighborhood? Do you want to go through the neighborhood? No. Let's go back to the bridge.
Carry you across.
Come on, boys. We got to go back across. Let's get to the end. Then we're going to go back.
Sorry.
It's so lovely out here. Kaden, come on. We got to go back. Go through the neighborhood. You want to say hi to the world? Come on.
I'm scared.
This is Kaden. We're crossing the lovely bridge. He has a flower.
Hi.
Let's go meet with Daddy now. This is one of our many nature walks. It's usually me performing it and I just drag Daddy along. But it's nice to get out, see God's true beauty, and get like a little minute of daily exercise. And to get the kids out of the house. So I'm gonna go back to observing nature. I'll let you later.